welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review one of the most requested videos recently, and I will be reviewing the In Color Matte lipsticks. Now if you've been following me on Instagram, which by the way you should, and if you've been following me over there, you would know that I've been using these for the past like 3 weeks or so, almost a month I would like to say. And if you guys want to know what I actually think about them, then please keep on watching. Firstly, I would like to give a great round of applause to In Color Cosmetics for coming out with such good quality product at such an amazing price. I don't think we have a lot of drugstore brands coming up with liquid matte lipsticks at this kind of a price. I'm not really sure, but I think it retails for something around 300 something or 500 rupees. I'm not sure, but I would mention it here in the screen. But I got it on Flipkart and it was on sale so I think I got it for around 300 something, but now it's available even on a better price, and I think now it's available at around 260 something. So if you guys really want to go and buy this, I will leave a direct link in the description box and you can click that and go and buy this for yourself. So this is how these liquid matte lipsticks look. I love the packaging. It's very sleek, very chic, and it just reminds me of Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. It looks a lot like those, but I really love them. And then because the body is transparent, you can see what shade is it, so it's easy to select from a collection of so many lip glosses that every girl has. The next thing which I really like about it is the applicator. So this is not a regular doe foot applicator, it's a flat tip applicator, which I think is really helpful because it makes sure that you do not take up a lot of product at one time, which is very important when it comes to liquid lipsticks, because these lipsticks are really pigmented. So you have to be sure that you do not end up applying a lot of it at one go. Now since these are liquid lipsticks, once you apply them, these go really matte. And the best part about these is that these are very pigmented, so you just need very little amount of it to work your way onto your lips, and they go totally opaque. Really good thing about these specific In Color Matte lipsticks is that although these are matte lipsticks, but they are not drying. They do not settle into your fine lines. They do not crack or dry out your lips. Now the first impressions of these lipsticks on me was really bad, because when I started using them, I was having like really bad cracked, dry, like literally cracked lips. I almost had 2 cracks on the side of my mouth, and that was a really bad time to start using them. But the stupid me started using them and it made my lips really worse, and I just cursed these lipsticks. But then I got back to my trusty old Boraline, and when my lips healed back, I thought, you know what, I should give these lipsticks a try, because it was not their fault. It was just that my lips were not in a good condition at that point of time, so I should give them a try once again. And the second time I tried them, I fell in love. These are absolutely gorgeous lipsticks. I have a lot of matte lipsticks with me. Like I've got Ellis Lash Color, I've got Miss Claire's, I've got Chameleons. I also don't like the Revlon Matte Balm, because I think those also make my lips really dry. But these are very comfortable to wear. The best feature about these is that they stay all day long, even if you have a full-blown Indian meal. I mean, I used to wear them at around 12:30 p.m., 12:30 noon time. I would apply them and I would go and have my lunch, which, I mean, if I talk about yesterday itself, I was having like a katori of dal and I had 2 chapatis, and I checked my lipstick and it was like there, not like just there, it was there in full intensity. And then I was sipping water throughout the day. I had a glass of milk, I had 3 breads, the toasts. Then I was having water regularly, and then at around 6 or 7 o'clock when I took a bath, I removed them myself. They were still there very much. They're not just a tin, they were there in their full intensity. So that is amazing. And for a lipstick which is so long wearing, the formula is still very comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel stretchy. Yes, they do have a little bit of tacky feeling, a little bit of sticky feeling to them. I mean, once I apply it, after applying, they felt somewhat sticky, but I thought, the stickiness would go away in a while, but no, it stays there for the period the lipstick stays on your lips. But I think that is just because probably that is one of the things which makes it long wearing, so I don't really mind that. Also, these sort of transfer. I mean, I've been having this lipstick on my lips for around half an hour now, so let me just show you guys. See, I don't have anything here. Oh, it's not transferring much today. But yeah, that's nice. I mean, they do transfer a little bit, not a lot, so I don't really mind because they don't bleed or something, so that's completely okay with me. But yeah, apart from that, these are amazing lipsticks, and the fact that they stay there even if you have a complete meal just blew my mind away. And even after being so long wearing, this is so easy to remove. You don't need any makeup remover or something like that. Just take some oil, massage it on your lips and wipe it off with a cotton pad. That's it. That's so easy. My tip number one for applying these would be that whenever you apply them, or any other matte lipstick for that matter, always moisturize your lips. And I personally do not like to moisturize my lips with a balm when I'm wearing liquid matte lipsticks. I instead prefer to use something like Boroline and BoroPlus, which is a lot more thicker and which is something which not just sits on your lips but goes within to moisturize them. And they're also not slippery, so these lipsticks won't go here and there. Somehow I feel the balms and the liquid lipsticks don't really go well together. I prefer using these over the balms. Once I apply them, the next step I do is that I dot some of the liquid lipstick on my lower lip and then massage it and spread it with my finger throughout my lower lip, and then whatever is left I go over the upper lip. Then I dot few more dots from the applicator and then spread it again. That way, I think, I personally feel you get a lot more even layer of lipstick on your lips, which can be quite a tricky thing to achieve when you're applying them directly from the applicator. So this is how I do it. You might do it your way, but this I find is the best way to work with a liquid lipstick. So that's about it, guys. I hope you would find this video helpful, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button if in case you like the content of this video, and please share this video and help me reach out to a lot more people. If you like the content, if you like my channel, then please subscribe, please like, and please share my video on various social media platforms and help me grow out. So that's about it for today, and I'll meet you guys soon. Bye.